a Muslim. He was taking part in a show that is known as KBC, Kaun Banega Crorepati, and the host is Amitabh Bachchan. The host asks questions to the participant, and the more answers that you give correctly, the more money you win. So this person, he gives answers regarding worldly aspects, regarding the Hindu scriptures as well, and he answers all these answers correctly. And then later on, Amitabh Bachchan asks this Muslim a question. Out of these 4 individuals, who is not a prophet in Islam? Adam, Musa, Muhammad, and Jibreel. What was the response of this Muslim? Can you believe it? This Muslim, he said he wants to flip the question. What does it mean? It means that he does not want to respond to this question as he is unsure of the answer, or he does not know the answer. So the question is flipped, but Amitabh Bachchan asked this person, this Muslim, that if you would have answered this question, what would your answer have been? What did this Muslim say? He said, the person who is not a prophet of God, the person who is not a prophet in Islam, is Musa. Can you believe it? He knows things regarding the Hindu scriptures, and he does not know regarding the prophets of God, the prophets in Islam.